I'm back. I thought I'd do a quick, very quick update on the Weedeater Model XT85. Come on, focus. That's the gasket right there. Right there is wet, and I don't think that should be, so I think there's a very tiny hole in there, so that's the problem. This is a Walbro WA199. Uses the same kit as the Husqvarna WT280. That's the choke plate, and that's the air filter. That's inside. Intake gasket looks fine. Yep, looks like it's another Walbro carb issue. So guess it's easy to fix because I've already taken one apart. Yep, so that's the problem with this one, is carburetor diaphragm valve gasket is shot. So hopefully I can get this thing running real quick. And also I might turn this into a outboard motor. Yep, so Pat were talking, and yeah. So very fun. So I gotta fix this. I probably need to get another gasket set or use the one I got. Yep, and there was also like seeds right there, so that probably wasn't helping much. I haven't taken the meter and diaphragm off yet. That's probably next. I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm just going to order another carb rebuild kit along with new air filter, new fuel line, of course, because this fuel line's crusty as crusty can get. Probably, so I don't think I'll get a new intake gasket. Throttle's fine. Yep. Basically, as soon as I pulled the fuel line out of it, I was going to pull it out so I could take it off. It broke off right there, so yep, new fuel line. It's small. This doesn't have a primer, but it does have a circle half moon thing in here, so I'll just get another one. You can never have too many parts, especially for these Walbro carbs. Yeah, that diaphragm's gone, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. I'm not gonna do anything with that, but I'm gonna buy another spare kit, so I have it for this engine. Yep, that's what's wrong. Fuel strainer's good, so I'm not going to replace that. I need new fuel line, new air filter, new gasket set. That's to be expected with an engine that doesn't run and is very old. Let's see if I can find emissions control tag. I don't see any, so actually that's the serial number. 1G110 or OH110. Type 1 on-off switch. Nice positive click. Small fuel tank, but who gives a damn. Same routing, sort of say, as Husqvarna for the throttle cable. Yep, another Walbro carburetor. Bit the dust with. Yep. So new fuel line. I just have to find the right diameter. New carb rebuild kit. New fuel or air intake. So that's it for this. That's why this thing didn't run right, or didn't even run at all. So I'll see you in the next video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.